So at the Gaslamp now.
Hold on. He's from Morocco. There you go. Alright. Let's go right there. You guys haven't gone through yet or no? You guys?
Dan, this is the other half of our street team.
Hi guys. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Austin!
Wait, did he move out here?
Austin, baby cuckoo!
He just flew out here.
Austin! Austin! Riley!
Oh, okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Jeffrey.
Yeah. Hey. Austin! I missed you!
Come here, man.
How's it going? My friend JJ. You see me?
I've seen you at Northwood.
You never seen before?
Yeah, I've seen him somewhere at Northwood.
This is Kevin. This is Kevin.
What's up, man? How's it going? Great to meet you.
Yeah. Ryan, this is JJ.
Yeah, dude.
He's JJ.
Awesome. Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Did you get your CD and everything too?
Yeah, thank you for putting my name, Austin.
Dude, thank you, Jeffrey, honestly.
Yeah. Hey. Hey, Heath.
Hey, Jeffrey, we tried coming by and saying hi.
This is JJ.
JJ.
Yeah. And you know, every time he does that, he just like da 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 to play the music. He does that. He does it. 처음 보여줘.
Thank you. We couldn't.
또 보여봐. 보여줘. 그럼 again. Hey, this is Kevin. Yeah.
How's it going, man? Thanks for coming.
Adam.
Jeffrey Baek, what's up, dude?
Yeah, nice to meet you, Adam.
Jeffrey Baek.
Adam, this is.
Picture. Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Oh, your name is Jeffrey. Oh, Jeffrey. Hold on 1 second.
Yes.
Let me just take a picture of them.
Okay.
Guys, ready? Why is it not going?
There we go. Thanks, man. Thank you.
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you guys. Good.
Really, you'd be nice to yeah, we will. We'll hit you up. We're friends of the show, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we are.
Matt, this is Kevin. This is Kevin.
Nice to meet you. Sure, friend me. Hi, Kevin. Addam Farmer.
Yeah. And this is JJ.
Thank you.
JJ, this is Matt.
JJ, nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, okay, duh. Right.
Adam.
Okay, tell her hello.
Adam, this is
Tell her Long Beach
Adam, this is Kevin, my friend.
Hey, Kevin, what's up, buddy? How's it going, dog? How's it going? Oh, yeah, there you go. Pound it. Fist it.
And this is JJ.
Pound it. There you go. Yeah, explode. Yeah. Rock and roll.
You know, JJ does like play music da 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 da.
You do that, man? Here, do it right now.
Da, hey.
Do Dude, that's you're amazing.
Oh, Adam, Kevin, say bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, Adam.
See you, buddy. It was nice seeing you again.
See you
man.
sometime.
I'll see you guys.
I'll see you sometime.
Yeah, sounds good, man.
Austin, happy graduation 2010.
Oh yeah, dude, thank
I'm
you so
making the movie called This Is the Bolts.
Dude, I want you to direct it.
I'm making the This Is the Bolts.
You're the best, man.
Yeah, this is the bolts.
You're the best. Thank you
This
so
is the
much.
bolts I'm making the movie.
You better make it.
Yeah.
Great, man.
Hi, Maddie. Woo!
Thank you so much. Hey guys.
Bye, Adam. Yeah.